Today we are going to do some another queries on the SQL Server Management Studio. So before any delay, let's go to the screen. First we have to see where we kept the questions. So my questions is in D drive, this folder, and this is the question we have. So now we are going to start the what we are going to start. We are going to start the SQL Server Management Studio. So for that, let's go. First, we will copy the questions that you can see. So for that, we are using SQL Server Management Studio. Open it. SQL Server is loading. Here you can see that connect to server means we have to connect to server. This is the login password. Login matlab login means you if you run anything like Google, if you do anything on Google, the Google ask some permission, so that is called login. Login means you enter into something. So this is the login ID, that is SA means system administrator. I am authenticating this SQL Server Management Studio as system administrator. So now let's move connect to the SQL Server Management Studio. So you can see here I am connected to the SQL Server Management Studio. So now I will show you the graphical way of writing the query. Yesterday I show you the command, and today with the here you can see there is written new query. You have to click on it, press on it. The new window appears of SQL query. Now first what we have to do, I have told you yesterday, we have to use database first. So for using, we have a database name AdventureWorks. So we use AdventureWorks, select it or press F5 for executing, or for graphical use, here is the execute button. Click on execute. The command completed successfully. Here you can see. Now we are going to do some questions which I have already discussed yesterday. Now the next question will be appear here. Here you can see. Next question is display the ID, type, number and expiry year of all the credit cards in the following format. Means we have to display the ID of an ID of a credit card, type of a credit card, matlab which type of credit card it is, credit card number, expiry of the credit card, all the details which we have to display in the fetch data from the database server. So for executing this yesterday, I have told you about a statement. Which statement? Select statement. Select, or if we have to execute all the informations into the database, we use stars, but we have to use some specific we have to use some specific details like ID, type, number and expiry year. Means we do not have to fetch all informations. We have to fetch some selective informations like ID, type, number and expiry year. For that we use their name as credit card ID. I'm not writing it randomly because Here you can see in my sales schema there is a credit card table. Here if you expand this you can see columns, and here you can see the credit card ID, the card type, card number, or expiry year, which we have to display on the screen. So we write credit card ID, comma, credit card type. credit card type का क्या है यहाँ? What is the name of this credit card type? Card type. So we have to write what we have to write? Card type. Another one, what we have to type? Number. So we write card number, comma, another expiry year. For that we have EXPYEAR, expiry year. और ये हमको किस स्कीमा के किस टेबल से निकालना है? तो ये हमें निकालना है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? फ्रॉम कौन सा स्कीमा? सेल्स। सेल्स स्कीमा के कौन सा टेबल? डॉट क्रेडिट कार्ड टेबल. Now the red lines not appearing because our query is okay. Now we have to execute. For that you press 5 or directly go on to the execute button. Here you can see I have 19,118 rows. So this is our second question. Now we move further for the third question. For the third question, I will back into the exercise section, and here is our third question. Here you can see we can just copy it, paste it here, and and write the query of this question. So you can tell me what is the query, what we have to write so we get the desired output. So first we read the question, display the customer. Display means what? Show means fetch the data from the database and showing from here. So what we have to display? Display the customer ID and the account number of all the customer who live in the territory ID 4. Means here we get the condition. So for condition what we have to use? We have to use where clause. Means where clause is used for giving any condition to the query which we have to fetch for the desired output. So for that we write the query like select. Now we have to fetch customer ID. For that we have to write select customer ID, comma, account number, ACCOUNT, account number. First we have to see where is the customer sales dot customer, whether it is available or not. So we can see here customer ID and account number is available. So select customer ID, account number from schema name dot table name. Table, what is the table name? Table name is customer. What is the table name? Table name is customer. Then what we have to do? We have to write the condition. If you are not showing, let's zoom it out for you. Now we have to write the condition. What is the condition? Who live in the territory ID 4. For that we use where clause. Where, what is the condition? Territory ID. Territory ID is equal to 4. So we execute this query. Now you can see the desired output is here. Now you can see we have practiced two more questions today. Now the other question will be done by me on the tomorrow or other session. So thanks for watching this video.